photos so that you can have the best overall experience. You want to make sure you are free of all accessories, make sure hair is pulled back, and make sure there is anything around you when you're submitting in those photos. This will give you the best experience with rhinoplastic surgery. Again, thank you so much for choosing us to go on this journey with you. We look forward to seeing you.